Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good evening. Hope you are doing well. This is my first video. I would like to introduce about myself and about my channel, Technologies. So welcome to my YouTube channel, Technologies. I'm Abdur Rehman and I'm from Pakistan, Punjab. I lived here for last 2 years in a UAE as an overseas Pakistani, and I'm also doing job in a well-reputed company. So the main purpose of the Technologies channel is that I will share tech content here and info about new AI technologies, gadgets, gears, tips and tricks, tech trends, and the use of different products in detail. In short time and simple words. So if you want to join me on all social media platforms, so just scan this QR code and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Stay connected, stay safe, take care. Allah Hafiz.